In this video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble a gate valve. To make it, you may need the following accessories. I will introduce them to you one by one. The body, of course, wedge, stem or shaft, bonnet, nut, gasket, wedge nut, bushing, O-ring, points. Okay, let's start working. First, assemble the wedge nut into the wedge, like this. If you look into the valve, it should look like this. Then, assemble gasket and bonnet. To fix them, you need 6 bolts. Experienced workers will do this very quickly. Like this. Generally, bolts will be tightened with pneumatic screwdriver, but I'm just going to show you the steps. Put the stem into the wedge. You see, I'm tightening the stem. Place the bushing into the groove of the stem. Fit together perfectly. Still, we need an O-ring for no leakage. Finally, assemble the bonnet nut onto it. We need another 2 bolts to tighten them. So far, we have made a barrel shaft, soft sealing, gate valve. The hand wheel or gearbox will install according to requirements. Job done! You can visit our website for more details. Thanks for watching. Bye!